The keynote here is that all devotees, irregardless of their behavior, whether their conduct is good or not good, they are to be respected and never disrespected and never spoken ill about. You should never speak badly or ill about any devotee of good standing or bad standing, because that ill speech or bad speech that you comes from your mouth, it will rebound like a boomerang. It'll bounce right back, and you'll take on a portion of those bad qualities or those bad conduct. The important principle in every field of yoga is the mind. The mind must be peaceful, the mind must be pure, and the mind is a source of bondage or liberation. So we should not, always it's told, we should not think badly about anyone, what to speak of a devotee. When the term respect is a mental conception, it's a mental function. In your mind you respect, so you mentally respect them, and that mental respect should be strong and deep for every devotee, whether they're high or low or equal to us, or in good behavior or bad behavior. We should always have very deep respect for all, such that it's so deeply sitting in our mind and intelligence that respect, that genuine mental and intellectual respect for the devotees of good character or bad behavior or character is so strong that it prevents us from speaking.